Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Western Digital easystore 1TB external hard drive. It's from Best Buy. easystore is like Best Buy thing. This is the looks of the box. Contains portable hard drive. These come in 1, 2, 4, 5 gigabyte, and bigger ones require external power. So this one just connects like this with a cord. Comes with one simple seal over here. Now we're gonna open it. This is what we have inside. There's some manual. This is the hard drive. Comes in plastic. So I'm gonna take off the plastic. easystore. Product of Thailand, a serial number here, a part number. And this is the way it connects with this cord. This is like sort of cool micro USB cord. It's like double thing. And regular USB to connect to your laptop or computer. It's like third gen USB. Now let's connect and see how it works. I connected it with a cord to my computer. We see the light, means it's on. Now we're gonna go to the computer. You can see here is a easystore. This is it, and you can use it just like a flash drive. It comes already formatted in NTFS, 931 gigabyte effective space. So if you want to copy something from your computer, you just like copy. Just, or is it copy, right? And then go to easystore, and then just paste it. And that's it. And you can copy like any videos or like pictures, like basically anything from your computer. You can just copy over here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.